chilly tonight as temperatures remain in the low 40s, so we're not dropping a whole lot getting into the morning. I'll be tracking a chance for a couple spotty showers or storms to start off the day, but once those clear by late morning, we are left with some mild temperatures for the rest of the day. As a warm front lifts through, we'll be climbing into the upper 60s by 3 o'clock with a high close to 70 degrees, depending where you are. Farther south, where we have a little more sunshine, but could potentially get a little bit warmer later in the day. Here's what we're tracking tonight. The strong low pressure moving across the plains is going to send this warm front north tonight, and that should keep our temperatures much warmer tomorrow and potentially bring a couple showers and storms again for parts of our area late tomorrow night before the associated cold front moves through on Thursday, bringing us the majority of our rain. Here's what our ABC 17 Storm Track future track looks like tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. If you've had the umbrella in the car, keep it there for tomorrow. We'll have a chance for some of those hit and miss showers or storms early in the day, but by late afternoon, we are going to be maximizing those temperatures in the 70s, so it's going to be much warmer. Definitely very windy with wind gusts up to around 30 miles per hour. Towards evening, though, we'll be looking to the north. This is where our warm front's going to stall out into tomorrow night. Could have a couple strong storms north of I-70 that could bring some 1-inch hail. After those clear out, we'll largely be dry for the start of Thursday morning. We are in the 60s before that cold front works its way south. As that starts to move south of I-70, we'll see more rain developing towards late afternoon. This is at 4 o'clock on Thursday, with heavy rain pushing in for areas south of I-70, especially towards Jefferson City, Lake of the Ozarks, and I-44. That's where we'll have more of those higher rainfall totals. Rain continues through Friday before clearing out later on Friday afternoon. We have a risk for a couple of strong storms. Just wanted to show you our severe threat for Wednesday night. It's a level 1 out of 5, and it's that same area we're going to be tracking the possibility of a couple storms that could produce some hail, but I'm not expecting widespread severe weather. Here's what we're expecting for rainfall amounts over the next 7 days. This will be our total, so points south of Jefferson City, we're going to see the axis of heavy rain on Thursday into Friday. That's where we could see upwards of 3 inches of rain. Farther north here in the blue, Columbia with a week total of around 1 to 1.5 inches. So that'll take us through the end of this week into early next week. Here's what the weekend forecast looks like. Saturday looking like the nicer and drier day of the two. We're getting up to about 60 degrees. And then Sunday, we're still making it to the 60s, but I'll be tracking a chance for some more rain, especially towards late afternoon and evening. Here's my ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. We are going to be cooling down a little bit to end the week as our cold front slides south. But over the weekend, we'll have some dry time on Saturday to finally get back outside. Next week, we're still tracking the active pattern with rain possible on Monday and slightly cooler than average temperatures as we'll see highs in the 50s.